Okay, I didn't pay attention to the weather. I didn't expect rain tonight. Oops. Maybe it'll stop. That sucks. So the army cot is sitting in the back. It's going to be all wet. I never leave my sleeping bag set up. I set it up just before I go sleeping, basically. So it's inside the cabin here, but I started seeing lightning. I'm like, oh, okay, that's interesting. And then I'm like, oh, crap. That was close. It's only 10 minutes before 8, so I'm not going to go to sleep anytime soon. I don't have to be to work very early. It's like, I think I go 2 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that tomorrow, so I can definitely sleep in late and stay up late if I need to, so whatever. You know, half of my food is inside, so I was just thinking I'm gonna, maybe take a walk into the Walmart and, buy some chips or something while I'm sitting here on the internet, and it started raining, and I'm like, oh. This is when something like a motorhome or a van would be a lot better, in that you can kind of get up and move around. I'm thinking about anything that I have in the back. It's all waterproof back there. It's not going to hurt anything as far as a lot of my food is sitting in a cooler. It doesn't need to be cool. It just needs to be water resistant. So that's working out fine. But considering I'm in the desert, I am somewhat aware of rain lately. So yeah, how about that? I'm recycling some of the internet from the hotels across the street, and when it started raining, the internet quit working. So what are you gonna do?